Presentation Masterclass Volume 9, Win and Work the Room. When you're giving a presentation, you're selling. You're selling your idea, you're selling your company, you're selling your product, and you're selling yourself. But the presentation is not the beginning, middle, and end of the selling. In fact, to effectively present, you need to win the room. And how do you do that? Well, first off, you don't assume that because you finished and perfected your presentation, that that is the end of your work. You want to have prepared for the interactions you're having with the audience before the presentation, which is why you want to be rested and you want to get there early. You want to have information about who is in that room, and in particular, who it is that you want to engage with. My daughter, Marta Belcher, a very successful attorney, gave me something that really stuck with me, which is if you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. That's been attributed to Lorne Michaels and a number of other people. You want to make your presentations to people that are as powerful and smart as possible. And when you have an opportunity to network and expand, you want to use those opportunities both before and after the presentation, because you're being judged every second that you're there. And so you want to be polite and respectful. You want to watch your body language. And from the very minute that you walk into the room, you want to enter with confidence, like you're prepared, like you're glad to be there, and like you're the kind of person that the people you're interacting with would like to do business with. Uh, and one of the keys is to remember people's names. You want to have looked them up on LinkedIn. You want to know a little bit about their background, and you want to be prepared. So remember that presenting isn't just the 20-minute presentation. Presenting is the moment that you start preparing and learning about the audience till the time that you leave. You want to be confident, you want to be engaging, you want to be polite and respectful, and you want to win the room.